10 bizarre animal behaviors you probably didn't know. Number 10. Leaf sheep. This tiny creature looks like a living leaf, but it's actually a marine slug. This is the leaf sheep, a small marine slug that has a striking green appearance with wool-like tufts on its back, making it look like a miniature sheep in the sea. Found on the coastal waters of Southeast Asia, including Japan, Indonesia, and the Philippines, the leaf sheep has an incredible trick. It performs photosynthesis. By absorbing chloroplasts from the algae it eats, it can make its own food, just like a plant. But that's not all. Its rhinophores, which are the soft, tufty structures on its head, help it detect chemicals in the water, guiding it to food or potential mates. These tufts, combined with its vibrant green body, make it one of the most unique and well-camouflaged creatures in the ocean. With the ability to create its own energy and hide so effectively, the leaf sheep is truly a master of survival in the dense tropical waters. Number 9. Cookiecutter Shark. The Cookiecutter Shark bites perfect, round chunks out of much larger animals, leaving a clean, circular scar behind. This bizarre feeding behavior is so unique, it gave the shark its name, Cookiecutter. But here's the kicker. This shark doesn't feed on its prey entirely. Using its razor-sharp teeth, this shark targets whales, dolphins, and even large fish, slicing through their flesh without killing them. It doesn't stick around to feast. It takes a quick bite and swims away, leaving behind a perfect scar that looks like someone used a cookie cutter on them. This feeding tactic isn't just odd, it's a survival strategy. Despite its small size, only about 1 meter long, the cookiecutter shark is an elusive creature. It lives in the deep ocean, primarily at depths up to 1,000 meters, where it hunts in the warm waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It's definitely one of the ocean's most efficient predators, proving that size isn't everything when it comes to hunting. Number 8. Velvet worm. This is the velvet worm, a slimy, soft-bodied creature that hunts by shooting sticky slime from its mouth with incredible speed. Covered in velvety skin, its segmented body makes it look like a tiny living caterpillar. Its soft, delicate body and many tiny legs allow it to move silently and carefully through the dense underbrush of the humid forests in Central and South America. But despite its sluggish movements, it's far from harmless. When hunger strikes, this predator turns into a precision hunter. It doesn't chase its prey. Instead, it waits patiently, blending into its surroundings until the perfect moment to strike. Once it spots its prey, it fires sticky slime from its mouth, trapping its victim instantly. And the slime doesn't just trap, it paralyzes, allowing the velvet worm to inject digestive fluids that liquefy its prey before it's sucked up. Number 7. Archerfish. This fish shoots water to hunt its prey. This is the archerfish, one of the most surprising predators you'll find. Native to the mangrove swamps of Southeast Asia, this small fish has evolved a truly unique hunting strategy. When it spots an insect or small prey above the water, it raises its head and shoots a powerful jet of water, knocking the prey into the water below. Using its mouth like a cannon, it launches a powerful stream of water that can travel over 2 meters, striking the target with incredible precision. But what's even more impressive is that it can adjust the angle and force of the shot to ensure the perfect hit, as if using a built-in aiming system. That's how precise this fish is. Its success rate is almost 90%. This remarkable behavior allows the archerfish to catch its food without leaving the water, making it an efficient water hunter in its swampy habitat. Number 6. Paradise tree snake. This snake doesn't just slither, it flies. This is the paradise tree snake, and it uses its flattened body to glide through the air. Native to the humid forests of Southeast Asia, this snake can cover distances of up to 10 meters in a single glide, moving smoothly from one tree to another. What makes it truly remarkable is its ability to adjust its flight path mid-glide, transforming it from a master escape artist into a stealthy predator. Its muscular tail and flexible body generate lift, while its wave-like motions give it the ability to change direction quickly and accurately. So when it needs to move between trees or escape danger, it climbs and then launches itself. And when it's time to hunt, it moves swiftly through the treetops, preying on small lizards and other small creatures, striking quickly from above. Number 5. Bombardier Beetle. This tiny beetle explodes to defend itself. The Bombardier Beetle has a defense mechanism like no other. When it feels threatened, it fires a boiling, toxic spray from its rear, reaching temperatures of 100 degrees Celsius, creating an explosive defense that deters predators instantly. But how does it do it? Well, this beetle has 2 chemicals stored inside its body. When danger strikes, it mixes them together, causing a violent chemical reaction. The result? A colorful burst of hot liquid that shoots out of its body. When it's not defending itself, the Bombardier Beetle spends its time scavenging, feeding on decaying plant matter, and even other insects, ensuring it survives in a variety of environments: forests, grasslands, and even deserts. Despite its small size, the Bombardier Beetle is one of nature's most efficient survivors, using its unique defense mechanism and clever adaptations to thrive in a world full of danger. Number 4. Wallace's Flying Frog. This is Wallace's flying frog, a strikingly green frog with webbed feet and long, agile limbs that allow it to glide effortlessly through the canopy. This frog doesn't just jump, it flies. Its webbing between its fingers and toes, combined with a fringe of skin stretching between its limbs, allows it to glide for up to 15 meters, making it capable of moving from tree to tree or even down to the ground with incredible precision. But this frog isn't just about flying, it's also a skilled climber. Using its sticky toe pads, it climbs trees and waits for insects to come into reach. When the moment comes, it snatches prey midair, feeding without ever touching the ground. Native to the humid rainforests of Southeast Asia, the frog lives high in the trees, descending only to mate and lay eggs. With its unique gliding abilities, it's definitely one of nature's most efficient survivalists in the treetops, relying on agility and precision to survive. Number 3. Harlequin Shrimp. This shrimp is the true definition of beauty with a deadly twist. The Harlequin shrimp is a tiny but vibrantly colored predator, easily recognizable by its blue and orange body and distinctive spots. While its appearance is stunning, it's also a skilled hunter. Unlike most shrimp, which scavenge for food, this shrimp hunts starfish. But not just any starfish, it goes after the crown of thorns, a species that's a major threat to coral reefs. It uses its strong pincers to break through the starfish's defenses, making it one of the few creatures capable of hunting such well-armored prey. It's also known for its incredible agility, quickly darting across the seafloor, navigating rough terrain while on the hunt. Native to the Indo-Pacific, it's an important starfish controller in the ocean, helping to balance the ecosystem. But don't expect to see one easily. They're also incredibly elusive and highly coveted in the aquarium trade. Number 2. Jewel Wasp. This tiny wasp doesn't just sting, it paralyzes its prey and turns it into a zombie. This is the jewel wasp, a small but incredibly powerful predator. It's a vibrant green wasp with striking emerald-colored wings, known for one of the most bizarre survival tactics in nature. Now, check how it hunts. The wasp stings a cockroach directly in the brain, injecting venom that paralyzes it instantly, making the roach lose control of its movements, but still alive. Once paralyzed, the jewel wasp doesn't just kill it, it guides it to a burrow where it lays its eggs on the roach's body. The wasp's larvae hatch and start feeding on the still living roach, liquefying it from the inside out. The larvae don't just consume the roach's insides, they slowly take control of the roach's fate, turning it into a living meal. This feeding tactic ensures that the larvae have a fresh, nourishing meal until they are ready to emerge as fully grown wasps. Number 1. Fainting Goat. Ever seen a goat faint? This is the fainting goat, and when it gets startled, it literally falls over for a few seconds. But don't worry, it's not dangerous. The goat is fully conscious while it faints. So why does it happen? This behavior is caused by a condition called myotonia congenia, which makes their muscles temporarily stiffen. But the real reason behind it is survival. By going limp, the goat might trick predators into thinking it's dead, buying itself enough time to escape. And here's something interesting. The condition also gives the goat its scientific name, myotonic goat. Pretty fitting, right? But that's not the only cool thing about them. These goats are adapted to tough environments. Whether it's steep hills or rocky terrain, their sturdy legs and calm nature help them stay balanced and navigate easily in difficult conditions. Which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time!